What up, YouTube? Look what I got in the mail to try out. Well, difference is I paid for this, but I figured it's something that I have in my store that I want y'all to look at. So, open this up. This is how it comes packaged. So, from me reading the description and everything that it has on Amazon, it's basically just plug and play. I got it wrapped up like this. I'm gonna leave the comments to y'all, but I'm not gonna say it out loud. So the way this works, the only thing I'm supposed to do is just plug it into the ODB2 port. And the test mule is gonna be the avalanche, of course. So I don't know if these lights come on or they're lights or what have you, but we'll find out in a minute. And that's all it is just plugs into the not USB, but the ODB2 port underneath the dash in the GM vehicle. So let's see what happens. All right, so we made it to the truck. I'm gonna plug it in here and show you how to just do basic stuff with it or what to look for. So this is our AFM, DFM. I'm gonna plug it in down here. Let's see if I can find it without looking at it. Right there. So if you read the packaging correctly, it says that not to keep it installed if you're gonna use this not as a daily drive vehicle. But yeah, there's a light that's on it. So I guess that light stays on the whole time, or kinda, well, it just went off. So we're gonna get in and start up and see what happens. So in order to make sure that it is working when you're driving, well, that's the first. So I guess that's reading the system and seeing, if it actually works for it. But not even that. Let's go through our stuff and see what it says. So the thing that you want is when it goes from V8 to V4 mode, right here. That's what you're gonna be looking at. What you want it to do while driving is to stay in V8 mode. So we're gonna do a little road test and see what happens. Okay, from what I've noticed since I've been driving this little short distance, well, it stays in V8 mode, but also I got more lights that came on down there. I don't know if y'all can see it too well, but they're on. 3 out of the 4 lights that are on down there. So I guess what it's doing is reading the system to tell the MDF not to turn on, because as you can see, it's still in V8 mode.
The screensaver is on. Many links recording.
And what's crazy about this, normally would automatically go to 4-cylinder mode when I let off the gas, which is not doing that. It's staying in V8 mode the whole time. So does it work? It seems to be so far, but we're gonna ride it and see what happens. Okay, now we got a little speed, still staying V8, still showing V8 mode. So could be a win. But give it a few days. Come back out, do the same test again. But like I said, right now, when it normally would go into V4 or shut off half of the cylinders, it hasn't done that. So far it's working. And it's not really a major fuel difference, but a lot of people like to do the MGF because it makes sense, because your car, it protects the lifters. I'm gonna just say it. It keeps the lifters from burning up with all the oil and crud, and then you got people who don't change the oil. So there, I said it. But it would also, this little piece would also help the longevity of your engine, because you got all of those solenoids out there doing the thing of shutting off oil and everything, and yeah, that creates issues later on down the road. So continue to like, share, subscribe, and comment. And this is going to be a long-term test, so you'll see this again. Now it's just down to one light. Like I said, you'll see it again. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Peace.